Hello. The Jeonbuk Special Self-Governing Province Iksan Office of Education has produced this School Communication Guide video to help multicultural family parents better understand Korea's school education system and participate more actively in their children's school life. This video explains how to access and effectively use the 2025 School Education Guide for Multicultural Parents, which was developed by the Jeonbuk Special Self-Governing Province Office of Education. The 2025 School Education Guide for Multicultural Parents is a clear and easy-to-understand handbook that explains Korea's school system and daily school life from elementary through high school. It covers essential information such as grade and semester operations, the curriculum, school events, after-school programs, counseling, and ways for parents to participate in school activities. It is translated into multiple languages, including English, Chinese, Vietnamese, and Filipino, so that families can understand the information regardless of their native language. Each translated guide can be downloaded instantly using a QR code or link. Each school provides educational information through announcements posted on their school homepage. For parents who find Korean documents difficult to understand, this guide also explains how to use translation features conveniently on both PC and smartphone. First, let's look at using Chrome on a PC. Click the three dots located at the top right of the screen. Select Settings and move to the Languages menu. At the bottom of the list, open Google Translate and choose your preferred target language. Once this is set, the school homepage will automatically offer translation options when you visit. By right-clicking on an empty area of the web page, you can translate the entire page into your selected language. Announcements and preview documents can be translated the same way. Although machine translation may feel awkward at times, it is still very helpful for understanding the content. Next is how to use the Chrome app on a smartphone. Tap the three dots at the top right, go to Settings and select Languages. Then, when you visit the school homepage, you can use the same translation features available on a PC. This allows you to check important information anytime, anywhere. If you want to view Korean documents in another language and listen to the translated text, the Edge browser offers an even more convenient experience. When you open Edge and visit the school homepage, a translation banner may appear at the top. Select your preferred language, and the page will be translated immediately. If the banner does not appear, click the Translate icon next to the address bar to choose a language manually. One of Edge's biggest advantages is its Read Aloud function, which reads translated text out loud. Tap the three dots at the top right and select Read Aloud to hear the on-screen text spoken in the language you selected. This is especially helpful for parents who find long announcements or documents difficult to read. Even in PDF files or preview screens, selecting Read Aloud allows you to listen to the translated content without difficulty.
1 ngày 2025 11/8 Thứ Bảy 10 giờ sáng 4 giờ chiều.
This combination of translation and voice reading is what sets Edge apart from Chrome. By using these translation and read aloud features together, parents can independently check the letters and notices their children bring home, and clearly understand the important information. If you have felt inconvenience or worry because of language barriers, technology can now help you overcome them. When parents take the first step, technology will take the next step with you. Supporting your child's school life and growing together with them will now become even easier. The Jeonbuk Special Self-Governing Province, Iksan Office of Education, will continue to stand with you so that every parent can participate equally in school education.